This song by Rabindranath Tagore, Esho Amar Ghore, it means come to my place, come to my acho ontore. Esho Amar Ghore. So home, and then I will get to know you better, O Divine, O Lord of the world.
तन मन धन सब भेंट धरूंगी, तन मन धन सब भेंट धरूंगी, भजन करूंगी तुम्हारा, भजन करूंगी तुम्हारा।